Welcome to Charcoal Zoo. Today we're going to draw a bear. You can find all the art materials I use in the description below. Start by lightly planning out the drawing with Willow Charcoal, taking note of the different features of the reference. Try not to be intimidated by the white page. Make bold but simple decisions. The nose can go here. Follow the line of the head. That makes the eye around this position. The mouth goes below the nose, and so on. These simple decisions will build up, forming a plan for you to work on further. Do not be tempted to stop the flow of this planning out stage to erase. Just move on and leave it be for now. As you can see, my plan is very different from the basic drawing. The plan is light and free, using only Willow Charcoal. It was completed in a minute or two. The basic drawing is built on top of the plan, a bit darker, using an eraser, working slower and more deliberate, taking as long as you want to get what feels right. Now that you're happy with the basic drawing, we are going to flatten it all back to use as the foundation for the artwork. That being said, charcoal very easily erases and anything can be repositioned along the way. Now we have a nice middle tone with flattened back Willow Charcoal. We're going to work in some highlights and start to give the piece a bit of character with strokes with the eraser to start representing fur. We are drawing with the eraser as we did the charcoal, always reminding yourself to stay loose and expressive, not to erase large sections and try again, but to work with what is already there. Now we have added some highlights and started to build some interest, we need to add some depth. Use a soft charcoal pencil. We are going to start by picking out some important lines. I decided to change the shape of the ear, but I'm not going to stop to erase it at the moment. Move around the piece, darkening sections, going as slow or fast as you like. I was drawing very slowly on the tricky shape of the nose. I'm not happy how the nose is looking, but I will continue around the drawing to darken other sections and revisit it later. Make the piece darker and darker, refining lines, building up shaded areas, adding depth and realism. I have only used one soft charcoal pencil for some time now, enjoying adding expressive lines and building interest in the piece. Because I've neglected the eraser, I decide to flatten back again to add back in some dramatic highlights. I make sure not to push too hard with a paper towel. I want to pull back the middle tone but not lose the darks I have created. I will work on this piece a little bit more, but I think I'll leave the video here. I hope you have got some value from it and I have earned your subscription. Leave your nice comments below. You have been watching Charcoal Zoo.